So your appraisal came in low. Now what do you do? Well, you've got some different options. What options do the sellers have if the appraisal comes in low? Well, despite the interest rates and potential pool of buyers, it's still a great time to buy a home. Appraisers obviously are using sold comps, not the current active comps. So the first thing you want to do is contact your trusted real estate agent, talk to them and look at the recent comparables. When I say recent in this market, I would look at 90 days, not 180 days, and see, is the home priced appropriately? If you're the buyer and you feel like it is, you can always pay the difference out of pocket. And also you could ask the seller to adjust their selling price. If you're motivated to sell your home and you see with those comps that it's overpriced, I would adjust it and get the home sold. Thank you for watching. Again, I'm Matthew Patterson with the Patterson Group. Give us a call and we'd be happy to discuss all of this in greater detail. We look forward to talking to you.